You teaching him how to grab out of there? Teach him how to grab out of the container, Connor. Teach Owen how to grab.
Grab. I'll just pour it. Put your hand in there. Stick your hand in there. Stick your hand in there.
Did he listen to you? Connor, are you being a good brother?
Yeah.
Do you love Owen?
Yeah.
Are you teaching him how to eat puffs? Are you in your underwear?